Olá, pessoal! Don't you think studying verbs in Portuguese is always a blast? Well, it won't be different today. Welcome back to Playing Portuguese, where we learn how to speak like a Brazilian. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and catch up on the videos you have missed. They are great. You'll learn today that some verbs in Portuguese, when they are followed by another verb, they require something between them. However, some other verbs don't. Vamos começar? In our first group, there are two verbs that require something between them and the verb that comes after. Gostar and ter. You already know how to conjugate them in the present tense. However, you'll find the links to those classes in the description below. Well, gostar. Let's see our first example. Eu gosto de viajar. So see, eu gosto de viajar. There is something between these two verbs. Is it optional? Never. So, repeat after me. Eu gosto de viajar. Ele gosta de ler. Eles gostam de dançar. Muito bem. Next. Ter. If you have to do something, you must use ter que. Yes? As in, I have to go to the bank. I have to go to the bank. Eu tenho que ir ao banco. Yeah? Repeat after me. Eu tenho que ir ao banco. Ela tem que estudar mais. Ela tem que estudar mais. Nós temos que chamar um táxi. Nós temos que chamar um táxi. Muito bem. Let's go now to our second group. All these four verbs don't require anything between them and the verb that comes after. Yeah? Saber, precisar, preferir, querer. If they're followed by another verb, there is nothing between them. You have already learned how to conjugate the verbs saber and preferir. However, you'll find the links to those classes below. Precisar is a regular verb, so you'll also find the link to the class where the regular AR verb conjugation is presented. However, querer is a new verb for you, at least here. So let's go through its conjugation first. Repeat after me. Eu quero. Você quer. Ele quer. Ela quer. A gente quer. Nós queremos. Vocês querem. Eles querem. Elas querem. Now, our examples. Let's start with querer. Eu quero aprender português. See, there's nothing between quero and aprender. Repita. Eu quero aprender português. Ele quer conhecer o Brasil. Nós queremos visitar Salvador. Elas querem comer brigadeiro. Me too. Well, the same goes for the verb saber. Whenever it's followed by another verb, there's nothing between them. Eu sei falar inglês. Question. Você sabe dirigir? Eles sabem andar de bicicleta. Our next verb is preferir. So, ela prefere viajar de avião. So, ela prefere viajar de avião. Nós preferimos viajar de carro. Eles preferem ficar em casa. Our fourth verb, precisar. If followed by another verb, nothing between them. Don't forget that. Huh? Eu preciso estudar hoje. A gente precisa cortar o cabelo. Eles precisam descansar. Muito bem. Today's tip is about the verb precisar. You have just learned that if precisar is followed by another verb, there is nothing between them, as in, eu preciso tomar água. But if you need something, then I say, eu preciso de água. So compare these two sentences. Eu preciso tomar água, nothing between these verbs. Eu preciso de água. So then I need de. Eu preciso de água. Check these other examples out. He needs to rest, he needs vacation. Ele precisa descansar. Ele precisa de férias. So repeat after me. Ele precisa descansar. Ele precisa de férias. We need to pack. We need help. Nós precisamos fazer as malas. Nós precisamos de ajuda. Nós precisamos de ajuda. Repeat. Nós precisamos fazer as malas. Nós precisamos de ajuda. Do you need help? Você precisa de ajuda? Thank you for watching another class. It's always a pleasure to have you. Don't leave before subscribing, leave your comments and questions below and hitting the notification bell so not to miss anything. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!